Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Nissan Navara D22 STX dual cab, stock reference number 4347. The shape runs from the 4th month 1997 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. ZD30 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage other than clear peeling off it. Right hand headlight, chrome radiator grille. Left hand headlight does have light sun cracks. Has a TJM aftermarket snorkel. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left chrome power door mirror. Flexi glass canopy. Suit dual cab. Looks like someone's had a go at resealing it. It's a little bit rough. It does have a King's awning off the back of it and a small crack. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts and brackets and loom. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have light wobbles. Chrome power door mirror, right hand side. Right guard has one small dent and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter and transfer shifter. Heater controls, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.